Apat na taon pa lamang nang mahiligan ng Baguio boy na si Inigo Anton ang kotse at sa edad na 8, sumabak na siya sa kanyang unang karera. Sa dami ng kanya nang nasalihang kompetisyon, ang makapagkarera raw sa Formula 1 ang kanyang pinakapangarap. Kaya't stepping stone sa kanya ang muli niyang pagsabak sa nalalapit na Mayo sa Formula 4 race.
Now I feel it at my most in this time of my career because yes, this will be my first full season in Formula racing at the highest level I've ever competed. So there's a lot of pressure and a lot of, I would say, expectations that people have for me after what I've achieved here in the Philippines and also in other international races.
May kamahalan daw ang ganitong sports, kaya't malaki ang pasasalamat niya at ng kanyang pamilya sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta kay Inigo.
Our problem is talaga the exposure, no? We're not like basketball or now volleyball is really popular and all the other sports in the Philippines. No, motor racing has always been on the sidelines. Although we have very talented racers ever since. So it's a challenge talaga. Then the other challenge is because it's so expensive. The sponsors also get shocked na, ganyan kamahal.
So yay, you're Filipino, you're young, you're pogi, and we have our media partners. So I think that would be a really, really great combination for more sponsors to come in.
Puspusan ang kanyang pagsasanay. Malaking tulong din daw ang kanyang naging karanasan sa parehong kompetisyon noong nakaraang taon.
Joining these fast races in Formula 4 is that the level is very high there. Not only are the top level racers here in the region competing, there are also Europeans, Americans as well. So going into this season, I'll have to learn that it's not only about the pace, but it's also all about the consistency, especially throughout the whole season. Maybe I can be quick at times, but other times I make mistakes or there's issues that I have to resolve. So that's what I've been training for.
Kumpara noong 2024 kung saan sumabak lamang siya sa halos 6 na karera, ngayong 2025 sasabak siya para sa full season ng palaro na aabot sa 15 karera. Magaganap ang mga ito sa Petronas International Circuit sa Sepang, Malaysia at Buriram International Circuit sa Thailand. Randy Guzman, RNG News.